The automotive customer journey is different from most. It can take weeks or months to make a sale, and it's filled with research, interactions, and crucial decision-making. And phone calls are a critical part of connecting with those customers throughout their journey. What if there was a way to automatically record, transcribe, rate, categorize, and summarize your calls? Imagine the information you could automatically capture in your conversations, the time you could save, and the sales you could close. By using call tracking metrics and our built-in AI tools, all of those things are possible. CTM can tell you where calls came from, so you know which ads are working and on which medium or platform. CTM can also analyze the content of those calls to identify things like the caller's name, what make and model they're keen on, competitors they're looking at, disposition on the call, and if they're a cold, warm, or hot lead. It can then send all that information into your CRM, where your leads are automatically classified and ready for follow-up. Revolutionize your automotive marketing and sales process with call tracking metrics. Visit calltrackingmetrics.com to learn more.